Hello and welcome to the Roxburghe Group Vehicle Showcase. Today we're showcasing this Toyota CHR XL all-wheel drive. It's petrol. It's on a 2018 plate this. Automatic. And you're looking at around about 42.2 miles to the gallon. As you can see, it's got alloy wheels, 5-door. Really nice looking cars these, and always very popular cars here at Roxburghe. Always a really good spec. Fantastically large boot, ideal for a family these. And those rear seats do fold as well for additional space if required. Lots of leg room and headroom for your rear passengers. You've also got these cup holders in the doors there. It's got electric windows as well, front and rear. Acres of space in the front, really nice, fully adjustable leather seats. Good design. Obviously Toyota are a very good manufacturer of high quality cars. Very reliable. We've got indicators there on the wing mirrors. Got a multifunction steering wheel there. And this car has done 21,218 miles. So we'll just start her up. There we go. As you can see, you've got this central armrest which lifts up to reveal some storage space. You've got a 12-volt port in there as well. Cup holders here and here, and then you've got your automatic gearbox. More storage just here, perhaps for your phone, and a USB port as well to charge your phone. And then you've got your climate control, air conditioning, etc. Moving up into your digital display, which got built-in satellite navigation system. You've got DAB radio. Let's see there. Really nice, quick responsive system this. And then if you pop the car into reverse, you'll see you've got your reverse camera there and your parking sensors front and rear as well, which display in the centre console. So yeah, lovely car this, in fantastic condition, really nice comfortable leather seating. Like I say, they are a very popular car here at Roxburghe. And just one more thing to note, this car has got heated seats as well. So if you'd like any more information about this vehicle or any of our vehicles here at Roxburghe, you can always visit our website or just give us a call today. Thank you.